Hey guys, welcome back to Black Pearl Media. My name's Caleb. That's my 350Z back there. As you can see, it's snowing here in New England, and it sparked an idea for a video in my head about the effect of snow tires. So let's get into it. So when you live in New England and you own a rear-wheel drive car, you have two options for the winter, which is a couple of months out of the year. You could either store your car, or you could go with all seasons or snow tires. My 350Z is usually in storage. It's not right now because my truck is being worked on, yada yada yada, but it is out for right now. Now it has performance tires on it right now, the RE71Rs, and I use those for autocross and track use, and they are not good for the snow, so don't use them for the snow. The roads aren't snowy right now. That's why I brought it out for some video and stuff. Don't do what I did. I did own an 04 350Z before this, and I took it through 3 winters. The whole debate when I was looking for the car was, what about these New England weather? You know, the snow, everything like that. How's it going to affect? And I decided to pull the trigger on it, and I got decent snow tires. My father was like, you know what, we used to have cars that were rear wheel drive all the time, and we just got snow tires and we were fine. So I figured he was right, so I gave it a shot. And I gotta tell you, it's absolutely correct. You can have any car that you want, and if it doesn't, you know, if it's rear wheel drive, all wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, front wheel drive, I don't know if I said that already, but it doesn't have snow tires, it's going to suffer. I'll just tell you this one story that made me an absolute believer in snow tires. Is I used to work at Mohawk Mountain, which is down a massive mountain close by, and I was working there. I was like one of the last people there. I had my 04 350Z with used snow tires that had like maybe 30% left on them. Snowing, and then it started to rain, and then it snowed again, and there was probably about 4 inches of snow, and it wasn't just snow, it was like that yucky stuff. It was super slick. There was trucks that couldn't even get out of the driveway. So I made it out, and then the roads hadn't been plowed yet, and you have to like go down this dip and then up the same mountain that you ski on. You just got to drive over it, and I made it to like 45 miles an hour, and I just pinned it right there. My car just went like that all the way up the hill. I couldn't believe it. I was praying the whole time, but they worked out, and every single storm that it went through, it didn't give me any issues, unless it was something ridiculous like 2 feet of snow, which you're not going to be driving stuff through anyways, unless you have like a lifted truck or a Jeep or something like that. I get it, relax. But snow tires make cars like this very drivable and usable in the wintertime. So if you are having that debate in your mind like, oh, I really want to get a rear-wheel drive car, but there's winters coming up, just store it, or get a good set of snow tires. The BlizzX is what I always use, and they were great. So for me and my cars, when it comes to winter driving, they'll be getting snow tires. All right, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, talking about the snow tires with me a little bit. I hope that you consider subscribing as I try and grow this channel. Like, comment, if you have questions or dislikes, just leave them all down below, and you know, let's talk about it. Let's talk about experiences you've had with all-wheel drive, maybe with all seasons, maybe snow tires, maybe bald tires. I don't know. I know there's some crazy guys out there. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. Caleb with Black Pearl Media, taking off for today.